Okay, guys, just to make sure, new year, new you, but you still remember the format. Not new year, new you, everything last year already forgot. Guys, ayo. Okay, how many marks does your objective give you? Yeah, 20. Then section B, how many marks? Section B, how many marks? Uh-oh, a lot forgot already. Yeah, 20. Then section C is where the 6 questions, which ranges from 8 to 12 marks, will give you a total of 60. This is how you get 100 marks, okay? But guys, never mind about the format lah. Let's look at chapter 1. This is just to refresh your memory a little. But yesterday's class, a lot were telling me that they didn't do well, or some did very badly in science. Some did very badly in science. KSSM science is definitely way tougher than last time, way tougher than KBSM. That is why, guys, nearing exams, I need to give you extra class just to do exam paper. Sometimes it's to get used to how your brain twists and turn to answer the question. So that's why just reading alone won't cut it one. Yeah. Okay, mari kita mula, guys. Let's look at chapter 1. Let's look at chapter 1. Now, chapter 1 is to do with stimuli and responses. The first thing that we have to study is the nervous system. So chapter 1, form 3, we have to learn human nervous system, whereby we have to learn the structure and function. Okay, guys, human nervous system is divided into two. CNS, central nervous system, as well as peripheral nervous system. Now, to understand this, I need to ask you, do you, oh, got one student coming in. Is there a Maybank near your house? Guys, is there a Maybank near your house? Got ah? Yes, got. No. No Maybank near your house. Ah. Wow. No. Yes. Okay. Now, is that Maybank the HQ? Is it the main Maybank for the whole Malaysia? The Maybank near your house? Is it the main Maybank for the whole country? No, So what do we call that Maybank? What do we call that Maybank? Here lah. Sorry. Near your house is called branch. Near your house is called branch. Yeah, Jenrong, Adelia, branch. Sarah, yes. Now, this is how your nervous system work as well. So from one HQ, there'll be many branches. Your nervous system, this is the HQ. Central nervous system is considered the HQ, the headquarters. Whereas this would be the branch, the branches. I want you to guess what makes up the HQ. What makes up the HQ? Central nervous system. Very good, yes. Chloe, Adelia, yes. These two. Yeah, Sarah, yes. The brain and spinal cord, otak dan saraf tunjang. These two make up the CNS, Central Nervous System. Okay, Central Nervous System. And very interesting, guys, the branches really are branches. They are really branches. Guys, nerve branching out from the brain, we call them cranial nerve. Saraf cranium. Whereas nerve from the spinal cord, we call them spinal nerve. Guys, we call them spinal nerve. Okay, let's check out your notes a while. Let's check out your notes. So normally lessons are like that. After I go through a certain amount, then we refer to your notes to go through together. I haven't finished updating the ending topics. That's why I didn't sell my science notes as hard copy. Like my bio is all in booklet form one. All in booklet form one. When you go up to form 4, compulsory to buy one. You buy the whole year's notes, 40 something ringgit. So you see, I told them, this is your biology Bible. So whatever you learn here, okay, if you find reference book got some extra good info, you copy here lah. You copy here lah. Yeah, because why? Sometimes you don't have the understanding to memorize everything. So end up your score go even lower. Guys, it's called reference book, 参考书. 参考 means rujukan lah. It's not buku hafalan mah. Yeah, something for you all to think about. Okay, next. Guys, can you please copy? Can you please copy the function below? Below the human, please copy. There are 3 functions of nervous system. There are 3 functions of human nervous system. Number 1, detect stimuli. You touch something hot, or you see, you witness your friend dating. You see, detect stimuli. Then number 2, send impulses and interpret. Impulses sent to the brain, you interpret. Oh, this is an apple. Yeah. Oh, my homework is not done yet. You realize, then produce a response. Copy these 3 below the human. Okay, look. Now, next, we are studying something called voluntary, involuntary actions. Have you heard of this in Form 1, Form 2 science? Pernah dengar tak? 有听过吗? Voluntary, involuntary action. Standard 6, Okay, so to understand voluntary, involuntary is actually very simple, but we have to start from the brain. This is the brain. And one part of the brain, one very special part of the brain is called medulla. Guys, not medusa, medulla oblongata. Okay, brain and then medulla oblongata. In short, the brain carry out voluntary actions. Guys, voluntary actions are actions that you can carry out, you can control. Example, reading. Example, writing. You do your maths. Can you please give me other examples? As other examples. Voluntary action. Drink water. Okay. Dancing. I think you like dancing, right? Kicking a ball. Raising up to answer question. Typing. Running. Yes, correct. Correct. Having breakfast. So funny one, having breakfast. Talking. Guys, this is talking, not kissing. Speaking, talking. Listening. You're focusing. Okay, listening. Running. Okay. Looking at involuntary actions now. Voluntary we can control. Involuntary we cannot control. Can you please give me some examples? Something you cannot control. Yesterday, one boy told me, sir, fall in love. Fall in love. I asked what's the meaning. Oh, sir, when I see the girl I like, I cannot control. Fall in love. Like that also can. Yes, this class better, more proper points that can be used for exam. Breathing and no what? I thought someone said heartbeat, coughing. Okay. Example include heartbeat and breathing. Heartbeat and breathing. Anyone here, sir, I can rest my heart. Anyone, sir, I can rest my heart. I tell you, if you rest your heart, you also rest in peace. So I can rest my heart 5 minutes. Ayo, habis CD, gone case. Peristalsis is a very good one. Food digestion, releasing enzyme. But just hafal these 2 enough. Just hafal these 2 enough. Okay, heartbeat and also breathing. Anyone here, when you sleep, you have to control your breath. Or in, or out, in, out. Guys, don't need. Your medulla will help to take care of it. Under medulla is these two, heartbeat and breathing. This is called a knee jerk. Guys, look. If hit, then we'll kick. If hit, then we'll kick. By the way, this is not my leg. This is not my leg. This is knee jerk. Guys, what is so special about reflex action? What is so special about reflex action that the actions don't have? Voluntary action don't have. Avoid getting hurt, yes. But the main thing is, guys, reflex action is like, okay, this is the best example. Guys, have you ever touched something hot? You pull away so fast that you also didn't realize. You yourself also didn't realize. You pull away, hey, this is hot, correct or not? Or any one of you, sir, I touch something hot. Then after that, after a while only I pull away. Yeah. Cannot. You know why so fast? Because it doesn't involve the brain. Or any one of you really, wow, sir, I feel now it's quite hot Time for me to pull away. Guys, by the time you pull away, your hand is not there anymore. Hangus already. Reflex is very fast. Oh, pull away, then you realize, wow, this thing is hot. Yeah. So the key thing is doesn't involve the brain for reflex action. Very fast one. Guys, touch something hot, not touch someone hot. Okay. Because my Form 4 students like to ask me, sir, what if touch someone hot? They're different thing, okay? And just now Rachel said for safety, yes. Importance of reflex action to protect us. Okay, to protect us. So let us see how it works, pulling hand away from a hot object. Guys, when you sense something hot, it is because your receptor is stimulated. Receptor is stimulated. Impulses will be sent to the... Guys, send where? What is this thing called? Yes, spinal cord. Although don't involve the brain, but still involve spinal cord. So, again, when you sense something hot, it means that your receptor is stimulated and it will send impulse to the spinal cord. Guys, what neuron does it use? What neuron does it use? What neuron? Sensory neuron. This one, sensory neuron. So sensory neuron, it always transmit impulses from receptor to the spinal cord. From the one more time, receptor stimulated, impulses sent to the spinal cord using sensory neuron. Okay, moving on. Guys, the relay neuron will transmit impulse from sensory to motor. From sensory to motor. Okay, you can see it sent from the blue color to the red color. One more time. From sensory to the motor. And guys, I want you to guess, the motor neuron will send the impulse where? Where does it send the impulse? Receptor no. Receptor is 开头罢了。过后我们需要到 effector. Later we need the effector. From the motor, it will send to the effector to carry out a response. Okay? So it's always this pathway one. There's always this pathway. Okay, one last time. Receptor Send to the spinal cord, use sensory. Function of relay neuron, transmit from sensory to motor. Sensory to motor. And motor transmit from spinal cord to the effector to carry out a response. All right.